Emil Nirupama. Okay, children. So we were doing the questions with identities, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You answer my questions. Listen, children. We have studied 2 new identities, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
2 new identities. And what are those identities? First one is?
X plus y plus
What is the first
the whole
identity?
square.
Yes, children?
X plus y whole cube.
No. First identities, we have studied 2 new identities. And first one is?
X plus y plus z the whole
X
square.
plus y plus z all square. So it is x square plus y square plus z square. Square plus y square plus z square. Yes. Then
Plus 2x,
plus
2xy,
2xy plus
2yz,
2yz
plus
plus
2yx.
zx.
2zx.
Okay, children. So next one is, next identity was x plus y all cube. It is
X cube
cube plus
3x square y plus
plus
3x y
y
square plus y
plus
cube.
y cube. Okay. Again it was x minus y all cube. X minus y all cube. What was that? Yes? X cube minus
X cube minus 3x square y plus
3x.
3xy square minus y cube.
Okay. Okay, children. So we'll do the questions now based on these algebraic identities. Okay. So first question is, what was the previous question? Do you remember that? You have your notes?
104.
Yes?
104 cube.
Yes, sorry.
Evaluate using suitable identity.
Then 1000 like that, right? Isn't it? Okay, children. So next one is
104.
104. So next question. Do it. Evaluate.
Yes,
Write the
ma'am.
question. Evaluate. Evaluate. 4x plus 2y all cube. 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, children. Let the board comes.
Ma'am, I am not able to turn on video. I don't know why.
Yes, who is that?
Ashik.
Patri, is it Ashik?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened, Ashik?
When I on the video, I have to rejoin. It's
Yes,
saying
yes,
that
yes,
some
yes.
other app is using camera.
Okay, range problem is there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. 1 minute, 1 minute. It will take time to come. Wait. Okay. Okay, children, the first question is evaluate. 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 First one is 4x plus 2y all cube plus 4x minus 2y all cube. Okay. Did you understand how we'll do it? Yes, children, did you understand? Hello. Did you understand? How can we do it? Yes, children, how will you do? Which identity we are using here?
X plus y
X
the
plus
whole
y
cube.
cube.
All cube plus
Or X minus y all cube.
x minus y all cube. So according to the identity x plus y all cube, you have to expand the first one, then x minus y all cube, expand the second one, then the common terms you can, similar terms you can add, and the plus and minus term you can cancel. So you will get the answer very easily.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Do it fast.
Ma'am, can you show the question once again?
Yes, yes, yes. This is the question. Okay. Evaluate 4x plus 2y all cube plus 4x minus 2y all cube. So these are the questions based on the identities. Based on the identities. 4x plus 2y all cube plus 4x minus 2y all cube. And the identity we are using here is x plus y all cube equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. And the other one is x minus y all cube equal to x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. These are the two identities we are using. Okay. Nas, you were absent for 2-3 days. Last 1 week you are absent, I think. What happened, Nas? Can you hear me? 3 classes you are absent. Can you hear me, Nas?
Was there.
Yes, what happened?
Network issues was there.
Yes?
Network issues was there.
Okay. Now is it okay?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Try to present all the classes, okay? Okay, children, will you share the answers to me? Yes? How will you do? See, what answer did you get when you expanded 4x plus 2y whole cube? How did you get the answer? 4x whole cube, tell, plus
3
3 into
4x
4x
or
square
into 2y
into 2y
plus
plus
3 into 4x
3 into 4x into 2y whole square plus 2y whole cube. Okay. Again, plus 4x whole cube, 4x whole cube minus 3 into 4x square into
2y
2y plus 3 into 4x into 2y whole square plus 2y whole cube. Okay, children?
Ma'am, it's 2y all cube only now.
Now, Okay. Now we have to expand it. We have to expand like this. It is 64x cube, isn't it? 64x cube.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus, what is the next one? 3 into, you write the steps, no problem, 16x square into 2y, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 3 into 4x into 4y square plus 8y cube. Isn't it? Did you get the answer like this?
Yes.
Okay. Again, when you expand the next one, it is same term, no need of writing it again and again. It is same terms but minus like this. Clear? So no need of writing it. You just copy it and put the minus sign in between. So you will understand. So any number is there to cancel. You can cancel it here itself. Then that much steps will be reduced. Any number is there to cancel? Yes, children? Yes? Any terms? Which are the terms to cancel?
Minus 3 into.
Yes. Where? This. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Then again, this plus and minus to cancel. So what is remaining? What is remaining? Yes, children, what is remaining there?
64x cube minus
This
3
64x cube and this 64x cube you can add, isn't it? And the answer is 128x cube. Now any term is there to add? Yes, children?
48xy cube.
48. Here, when you add, you will get, when you, this one is 3 into 4 is 12. 12 into 4 is 48 x y square. Again, you will get the same term here. That is 48 x y square itself. Okay. So, totally the answer you will get like this, 128 x cube plus 96 xy square. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. So without expanding, you can cancel that number there and then and there itself, and the remaining only you should add. Okay, children? Okay. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you have any doubt, you ask me. Rifa, Surya understood. Aditya, Rose, Badra, Savio, and Mary, did you understand? Nisya and Nas, you will be, sometimes you will, yes. Sometimes you will get, you will be thinking that it is tough, but it is easy. Just tell the students, some of your friends to send the notes to you. Okay, Nas?
Okay.
Okay. Now, shall I erase the board now? Yes, children, shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The next question. So it is, as last class I have given one question to you, a plus b plus c all square plus a minus b minus c, like one question I have given, no? A plus b plus c all square plus a minus b minus c all square, you have to expand and cancel the similar terms, isn't it? The same question comes in cube also, just now we did it. Now another model of the question is like this. another model. Okay, children. The model is, second type question is, if x plus y equal to 12 and x plus y equal to 12 and xy equal to 27, xy equal to 27, find x cube plus y cube. X plus y equal to 12 and xy equal to 27, find x cube plus y cube. Okay, children? This is the question. Okay. So you might have done when you were in 8th standard such kind of questions regarding the other identity. Isn't it? X plus y all square, when you studied in 8th standard, you have done this type of question. Here, what we have to do is, here it is x cube plus y cube, isn't it? X cube plus y cube. So from there you can understand that the identity is it identity square? See, children?
No.
No. It is cube. So the identity here we are using is x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus 3xy x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. This is the identity. But you have to do the other version of the identity. Other version. Because here x plus y came and xy also came. So you have to take the other one, that is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Did you understand? Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we will substitute these values here. Okay, children? So you know that x plus y equal to 12. So wherever you can see, you substitute there.
3
Okay,
square
children,
and
it
3.
is given that x plus y equal to 12. So what is x plus y whole cube? It is given that x plus y equal to 12. So shall I substitute here as 12 cube? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
X plus y is
Yes.
12. So x plus y whole cube is 12 cube. And x cube plus y cube, you have to find the answer. So you write that like that itself. Plus 3xy into x plus y. Here also you can substitute xy is 27 and x plus y is again 12. Now you will get the answer of this. Find 12 cube. 12 cube. Find 12 cube. I don't know what is 12 cube. You find out and tell the answer to me. And this number 3 into 27 into 12 also you find. So you will get the value of x cube plus y cube. Okay, children, did you multiply? Did you multiply? What is the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
If anyone got the answer, share it. Yes, children, what is 12 cube? What is 12 cube? Yes? Nobody got the answer? 12 into 12 into 12?
Ma'am,
Yes.
1720.
Yes, 1728. This is very good, very good. 1728. And what is 3 into 27 into 12?
972.
Yes?
972.
Yes, 972. Now you will get the answer of x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube equal to 1728 minus 972. And find the final answer and tell the answer, those who got. Yes. What is the final answer? Anybody got the final answer?
756.
756. Okay. 756. Answer is 756. I'll give one more question to you. You have to do it and tell me the answer, okay? Okay, children? I'll give one more question to you. Shall I give the question? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot hear you. Are you telling something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, unmute and tell. Shall I give one question?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the same type question itself. Same type question. It is if x minus y equal to 4 and xy equal to 21, xy equal to 21, find x cube minus y cube. Okay, children? X cube minus y cube. So when you see that x cube minus y cube, you should understand which identity is that. Which identity is that? You should understand. And write the second version of the identity for the problem session. For solving. Yes. Will you tell which identity we are using here? Will you tell?
X minus y whole cube.
X minus y whole cube. And will you tell which is that? X minus y whole cube equal to? X minus y whole cube equal to?
X cube minus
X cube minus
3x
y
square
cube. I
y.
told you only first term is positive, other all terms will be minus. 3xy into 3xy into x minus y. Okay. Now you can substitute in this. You can substitute. X minus y whole cube is 4. 4 cube equal to x cube minus y cube is, you have to find the, that is the question. Then 3xy is 3 into 21. X minus y, you know, it is 4. Now after substituting, you tell me the answer. Yes. Four cube is What is 4 cube?
64.
64, good. 64 equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3 into 21 into 4.
252.
Yes,
252.
good. 252. Now x cube minus y cube you will get by shifting this negative 252 to this side, it will become positive. So 64 plus 252. So what is the final answer, children? Yes? You have to add it.
316.
Yes? Yes, Adidev, sorry. I did not hear.
316.
Yes, yes, 316. Very good. 316. I hope you understood these questions. Yes, yes, yes. Please, when you tell the answer,
ശരിയാണോ നമുക്ക് എഴുതിയേക്കണത്?
please tell loudly. When you tell the answer, please tell loudly. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I move to the next type of question?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody has any doubt, you ask me. I will explain it again. Okay. Okay, children. Shall I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, next type question is like this. Third one. Third question. X plus 1 by x equal to 7. If x plus 1 by x equal to 7, find x cube plus 1 by x cube. X cube plus 1 by x cube. This is also a similar question, but it is cube. Now we are dealing with the cube. So we have come across this type of question in last year when you were studying identities. So it is, when you see this one, you will understand which identity you have to use here. When you see this x plus 1 by x, and when you see this cube, you will understand how which identity means which one. Is it a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube, whatever it is? Can you tell? Which is that
A plus
identity?
B the whole cube.
A plus b the whole cube. That is x plus y. The identity is x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus. For problem session, you do this part, okay? 3xy into x plus y. And expand according to this. X plus 1 by x all cube equal to x cube plus y cube is 1 by x all cube. That is 1 by x cube. Plus 3 into, here is the main thing that when you multiply 3 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x. Here one thing happens, that is x into 1 by x you can cancel. Okay, children, like this. You can cancel. That is the main point of this type of question. Okay. And when you substitute, x plus 1 by x is, will you substitute that? X plus 1 by x is 7, so it is 7 cube plus x cube plus 1 by x cube, you have to find the answer. Plus only 3 comes here because we cancelled that x and 1 by x. And x plus 1 by x is again, x plus 1 by x is again 7. So 7 cube is 343 equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 21. So you got the answer, x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 343 minus 21, and it is 322. So when you see x plus 1 by x, you have to identify that when you multiply, that x and 1 by x will get cancelled and one number only remains there. Okay, children, shall I give you one more question? Okay. Yes. You want to see the slide again? Board again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So after finishing, you tell me, I'll erase and I'll give the next question for you. Okay. Okay, children, shall I erase and give the next question for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, next question is fourth one. Similar type of question, similar one, but you have to use the other one, other identity. X plus 1 by x equal to 3. If x plus 1 by x equal to 3, x plus 1 by x equal to 3, find x cube minus 1 by x cube. So when you see that, you understood that which identity we are using here? So will you do?
A minus B the whole.
Yes, yes. A minus b the whole cube. I'll show the question again. Okay, children, did you get the answer now? Did you get the answer? Anybody got the answer? Did you get the answer?
Yes.
What is the answer? Yes, children?
Ma'am, 36 only.
Yes?
36 only.
Oh, sorry. Here, children, sorry. In this question, here, here, you have to write x minus 1 by x. Sorry. You wrote x plus 1 by, sorry, I have given it as x plus 1 by x, isn't it? Now, is it okay? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is x minus 1 by x whole cube, okay? So, when you cancel this, you will get 3 into 3 itself. So, 27 equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 9. So, x cube minus 1 by, it is very easy. I thought why you are not getting the answer. Sorry, it was a mistake. I did not give that as, I have given it as plus. So that is why you are hesitant to get the answer. The answer is 36. Did you get, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, will you correct it? That x plus 1 by x is, instead of plus, it is minus. It is x minus 1 by x. Okay, will you correct it? You want to see the slide again? Okay, children? Okay, children, what is the answer? What is the answer?
36.
36. Shall I raise now? It is time to wind up. Shall I raise? Yes, I will continue the next class. Okay, children? Okay. What is the answer, Prajod?
46.
Okay. So, shall I wind up the class now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
One more class is there. Okay, I'll explain.